Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries, Saturday morning, 11 a.m. and we have a quest this afternoon. That means for every 3 deliveries we do, the first 3, they're going to give me an additional $6, then $9, then $12, total of 9. The rules of the game are simple. I'm going to go until I get 9 deliveries and see how much I get. And we're starting off with a good one. $11.65, 35 minutes. This is amazing. Let's go grab it.
Thank you very much.
Could you see if that Uber Eats order he just brought over, Angelica?
Angelica?
Yes.
Perfect.
Wonderful. Thank you. I'll just kind of put that right in there. Oh.
Does this go down, maybe?
It usually holds the drinks really well. That's why I usually...
Awesome. That's so smart. Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
Nice and tight.
Yeah, perfect.
Awesome.
Thank you. You too. Hi there. It's a big bag and it has some drinks. So there's the drinks. Got it?
Got it.
And then there's the bag. Perfect. Enjoy your lunch. Not a bad start to the morning / afternoon, because right away we got this one. $6, 16 minutes. Looks like it's going to be an easy one. Let's go grab some pancakes. Hi, is this where I pick up Uber Eats? I'm picking up for Benjamin.
Benjamin?
Yes.
Is Benjamin ready? It's coming up shortly.
Sure. Thank you. Benjamin? Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great one. You too. So it's been about 20 minutes, and Uber loves to do this when you're doing a quest. They slow you down. We only have until 3 o'clock, so 4 hours to get 9 deliveries in. They slow you down just to keep you out longer. I was hoping to be done in 3 hours tops, but it looks like I might have to do 4. And we're going to do this one to finish off tier 1, $7.25 for 16 minutes. It's Burger King. They're typically slow, but I've not done this Burger King. Fingers crossed it's fast. Hi, Uber Eats for JD.
You got an Uber Eats for JD? I think she's gonna help.
Sure, thank you.
Sorry, what's the name?
It's JD, Uber. Yep.
This is from JD, right?
Great, thank you. Yes, thank you. You too. Hi there. Thank you. Enjoy. So these orders coming in this afternoon are slow, precisely why I rarely go out. They offered me a quest, so I anticipated it to be busy, but it is not busy. I'm just driving around, wasting my time. I did take this one. It's questionable. $5.03, 17 minutes. I'm just trying to climb the quest so I can get to that plus $12. I'm just starting on tier 2 to get the 9, so let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for May. Perfect. Thank you. You too. So I've just decided to park and I'm waiting and waiting and waiting and then finally got this one. $9.44, 34 minutes. It's a double, and that is the only reason I took it, is because it's a double. Once I do these 2, I'm going to then get the extra $9. It's so slow. I highly doubt I'm going to conquer the quest tonight. But comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Why are they offering incentives for times where no one is ordering? I really don't get it, other than the fact that they just want to make sure some drivers are out there and not really pay the incentive. Who knows? I value your comments. Let me know. And if you can like and subscribe while I'm picking this up, that'd be awesome. For Lauren, Uber? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Hi, Uber Eats, 8BBDD, Nikhil. Wonderful, thank you. Hi, how you doing? There you go.
Thank you.
Got it. Perfect. Thank you. So I just finished dropping off that double, and there is physically not enough time, even if Uber started pumping orders at me, to actually get the next 3 done by 3 o'clock. So I was only able to get 2 tiers of the quest done. Unfortunately, I did not conquer the quest. Actually, I thought I was gonna blow this quest away and have it done before 2 o'clock. Now we're 20 minutes to 3, and I'm still nowhere near getting this quest done. Uber, you won this time, as I only did 54.37. Boo. 54.37 for 3.5 hours, just over 3.5 hours. Not great at all, but I'm coming back tomorrow. So if you want to see that video, subscribe to the channel and watch the next video, because I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take down Uber, take down the quest, and we'll see you then.